Hey guys, so all I have done on my face so far is my eyes are primed. I've got some tape on the corners of my eyes to give it like the perfect cat eye without any effort. And then my brows are done. They're looking pretty dark, but you know, hopefully it all comes together full circle when, you know, we finish our makeup. So anyways, I was feeling really inspired by this Morphe palette that I just got. This is the Morphe 35V Stunning Vibes palette. Like, look at these colors. They're so beautiful. I'm gonna reach for this matte tan shade first for our transition shade. Moving right along, I'm going to grab this cranberry shade right here. It just is calling my name. And I'm going to pop that into my crease as well. Just to add a little dimension, add a couple different colors in here. Alright, now I'm going to go in with this rich chocolatey brown shade. I'm going to hit this right where my lid meets my crease with a more tapered blending brush so we get a more specific blend. I'm going to add that cranberry shade right to our outer V as well. Alright you guys, I'm going to practice cutting my crease again. As I mentioned in a previous video, this is not my strong suit, but you know, I'm just going to keep practicing until I get super good at it. This gorgeous champagne shade has been calling my name since I got this palette. I'm so boring, but it's my favorite kind of shade to work with. I just love my pinky champagne shades. I'm going to put this right where we just applied our little cut crease action there. Now we're going to go in with this frosty white shade down here in the corner and apply this right to the inner part of our tear duct. This is so pigmented. This shade is so velvety and rich. I just love myself a good rich frosty white shade. Now the eyeshadow is pretty good as is, but I think that I need to add a little glitter. These are all pressed glitters. This is by Jolie Cosmetics. This is the Bomb.com palette, but I'm gonna reach for this beautiful pink glitter champagne-y shade right here with my finger and just apply it right to the center of my lid. Wow. Ooh. Yes. Alright, let's remove the tape. Alright, I'm going to give myself a good old-fashioned cat eye here. You guys, ever since I caught my cat eating my eyelashes in my fall evening routine video, I've actually noticed that every single time I take my lashes off and I put them on my my vanity, the next day they're gone. I've never noticed before, but I wonder how many eyelashes she's eaten. I wonder if that's like, if she's digesting them. Is she okay? Like, that's a lot of lashes, and I don't know why. I've never really thought of it. I was like, oh, must have fallen on the floor or something. No, she eats them, and I don't know how many she's eaten, but every single time I wear lashes, aka every video I've ever made, she's eaten the lashes that I was wearing. Speaking of eyelashes, these are the Alexis lashes from shopmissa.com, my favorite ones. I feel like these are the only ones that I wear nowadays. Okay guys, we're gonna do the rest of our foundation and all that good stuff, and I'll get back to you guys once I am finished. I'm gonna put a little bit of this metallic eyeliner in my inner tear duct. This is the Sexy Metallic by Malibu Glitz. It was $1 from shopmissa.com, and I'm just gonna pop it right underneath my lower tear duct. I also smudged a little bit of that darker matte brown shade that we buffed in our crease right underneath my lower lash line and just kind of smudged it out. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to it. Also hit the little bell button, and that will notify you every time that I post a new video, so that way you don't miss one. Anyways, thank you for watching. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.